Come combat dry, dull, aging skin with me. What's Due Date? Therapeutic essential oils. Refreshes the skin and reduces inflammation. This oil stimulates the production and protection of new cells. It also reduces overactive cell turnover, which leaves your skin dry and dull. Use this as your moisturizer and a serum, and if you mix it with your foundation, it will give you a flawless look. Perfect for all skin types, including oily skin. So many different foundation shades to mix with this Due Date. It will give you a BB cream, flawless look. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and visit my website at 40andyonder.com.